Hi YouTube family, it's been a while since we vlogged. We are heading to the beach. Let me clean this screen. Alright, we'll keep it short because it's hot. I don't know what beach we're going to, but we're going
east side.
We're going east side. And if you see this, we brought his boat.
Yep. Time to ride the boat. Take her out for a spin.
Yes. Sorry we have not uploaded and vlogged in a hot minute. We've just kind of been busy. I've been doing a lot of like doctor's appointments and stuff. I had surgery, like what, 2 months ago? So it took a while for me to like recover, and I wasn't able to go to the beach for like 8 weeks, like 6 to 8 weeks. So
2 months?
Yeah, like 2 months, 2 months pretty much. And so we've just been at home. We just started going to the beach.
I'm back to work.
And he's back to work now. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we've been doing. So I'm trying to like get back into vlogging again, because he misses it, I miss it, and I hope you guys missed it. But yeah, so I guess we'll see you guys when we get to the beach. I don't want to make this too long because we're always in the car, but you know, it is what it is. So we'll see you guys at the beach. Bye.
Börja fira julen här på Hawaii. Ensam sjöman är långbrott, där kusten skär. Börja fira fira julen här på Hawaii. Men det lindrar ej hemlängtans glöd. Men det lindrar